Hello friends, welcome back to our another Faction Learning series video. In my previous video, I already covered these all topics. If you did not watch any of them, so I will suggest you go and first watch all these learning series video. Okay, so you get more idea about these all topics. Okay, let's move forward. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a multiple invoice series. Okay, so currently you are seeing this sales prefix page from the setting option, right? And here you see this list of credit note and invoice. So we have two options for setting a default. Okay, so one for credit note and one for invoice. Okay, so let's move forward. Let me show you where this credit note and prefix, this invoice prefix is showing in your existing page. Okay, so whether it was a sales invoice and it was credit note page, you get this prefix from there. Okay, let me show you. Currently you go through the sales invoice page, and here is option to create a new invoice, right? I already covered in my previous video. So here you see this inv, it was set up as a by default. Okay, so here you can choose many of the prefix, whichever prefix you are already added in your uh, sales prefix page. Okay, so you get from here, and if you want to add from here, so you have option to add. Okay, so you can add a new prefix from here also. And let me show you about the credit note also. So it was by default selected, that's why you can change from here also. Let's move forward. For credit note, let me show you. See this one, cn, it was by default taken, so that's why it was showing here. And from here you can also change your prefix or add a new prefix. Okay, let's move through the setting option and we create a new prefix. Okay, currently you are seeing this two option, right? Add new prefix and export. If you want to export this data, so simply you can download from here, and you can create a new prefix from here. So you have here only two option. Okay, one is type and another is add a new prefix. So in type, basically you get only two options. One is credit note and another is invoice. Okay, so suppose I'm adding new invoice and adding here. Okay, so see, whatever prefix you want to add here, you can just add. It's depend upon you. Currently, I'm taking this number for your reference. Okay, just continue it. Here you can see this result. Okay, so currently this invoice prefix is not added as a by default. So it was showing in list, but it was not automatically showing in that create a new invoice document name. Okay, so just put it on default, and let's move here and just show this. See, your invoice, this prefix invoice is by default added here. Okay, so from here you can change. Suppose if inv is your by default prefix, and but you get your new prefix from here also. And if you want to add a new prefix from here, so simply you can choose. It was for invoice, so it was automatically selected invoice. Okay, if it was a page of credit note, then it was by default showing the credit note page. So let me add here. See, this list is showing here. So now see, when you refresh it or when you saw this result, so it was by you chosen this 984 by default, right? So it was automatically comes, right? So you can choose this one, then it was again modified. So that's it about prefix option. So now let's move to next. Now you can see here your two new prefix, right? And just put this on by default invoice. And suppose if you want to delete these prefix, so from here you can deactivate, and from here you can delete. So let me show you. So that was deleted. Suppose I am choosing deactivate. So it was, from here it was deactivated. But if you can see here, see, in setting option it was deactivated but not deleted. Okay, so it means that prefix will not show in this list. Okay, it was, you can say, hide or something like that. Okay, but it was showing in your setting option. Okay, list, that number list will be present. Okay, but not showing here the main page, but it was showing in back setting page. Okay, let me show you when we do the activate. Okay, now if we can add this into activate. See this. Again, it was activated. So simply you got this two option like activate and deactivate. If you deactivate your any prefix, then it was present on your list of setting, but not present on here, the main invoicing, create a new invoicing page. Okay, so that's it about invoice. And same for credit note. Okay, same for, you can see this here, cn is by default selected. From here you can add a new prefix for your this credit note. Okay, and from here you can choose any of them. If you have a good list, then you can choose any of them and you can create any of them. Okay, same step you have to follow. If you want to create for credit note, simply you can choose here and then you write here. See this. Actually, I am just selecting or adding this kind of prefix for your reference only. Okay, so that's why I'm showing like this. Okay, so if same procedure, if you want to set this prefix as a by default, then it was come as a by default, or if you refresh the page, then it comes the same. Okay, so if you want to deactivate, you can deactivate. If you want to delete, then you can simply delete it. So that's it about sales prefix. Okay, whatever is this sales prefix, maybe it was a sell invoice or sales credit note, whatever. So you have to just add a new prefix from here, and you can simply add your new prefix or choose your new prefix from main page also. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. Please do like, subscribe and comment, and if you have any doubt, so you just comment and we help you. So that's it. Bye bye.